Executor people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest working Delta Executor for my mobile absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software, guys. You can do it with your Android, iOS or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. And then let's click on Delta Executor like this, and then we will get this step 1 account connection. So guys, there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, don't worry, because you can click here how to find your user ID and to see how you can easily find it. Or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com on your browser, so log in there, go to your profile and simply copy your profile URL. Why? Because in your profile URL there is your small numbers user ID. So just make sure to copy whole profile URL. Let's get back to our tool and just click on this button. It will automatically paste only your user ID from that link. So when you paste your user ID, click connect account, it will start fetching our Roblox profile and you should get this user found and your name. There we go, guys, we're successfully connected. That's my avatar and my name. Only thing we must do here is to click import US Delta Executor just like this, and boom, guys. If you want, you can select additional scripts to install along your Delta Executor. I will select Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs and Soluna. Guys, you can Google those scripts, what they have, like which options they have. You can search it on YouTube, but I will select this for and click continue. So when you select these scripts that you like, just click continue and it will start connecting to the API like this. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's see. There we go, guys. Look at this, API connected. Nice. Our Delta Executor is ready and we got our activation key as well, guys. Look at this, but it's not revealed. So let's click on our button. It's the final step. So because of many malicious bot attempts and many bots, guys, we will have to click here. I'm not a robot, so just make sure to verify it and let's see what we'll get then. So look at this, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys. Our user ID connected and our Delta Executor key is connected. Look at this, guys. I'm so excited to open our Roblox now and to test it. Does it actually work? So let's wait for this. Okay, let me refresh once again. So let's click on Grow Garden, for example, guys, and then we will test our Delta. Is it actually working or no? So we should get Delta along 4 scripts selected. So let's see. Look at this, guys. We got our Delta Executor. Let's check. Look at this, guys. Thank you for using Delta. We got it for free, guys. It works amazing. Look at this, guys. So let's check for scripts, guys. We selected 4 scripts. So look at this. Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs and Soluna, guys. We got all those scripts for free. Let's click on NICUs, for example, and we can also test later more scripts that we have inserted. It will be laggy a little bit and we will get this, guys. Look at this. We can use those amazing features. From this we can also use let's click on Forge Hub, for example, and let's see, is it actually working? So NICUs, look at this, guys. Game detected, Grow Garden. You can see which games this script supports, so you insert that script and it will work amazing. So look at this, guys. Look at this amazing stuff. Player walk speed, let's test it. So yeah, guys, it's sick. We got it for free and we can do now whatever we like. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.